Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Baby Nose Saline Spray is probably one of the most essential items a parent can have in their arsenal, offering a gentle yet effective solution for clearing nasal congestion in infants and toddlers. This simple, drug-free spray helps to loosen mucus, making it easier for little ones to breathe, especially during colds or allergy season, ensuring they can rest and feed more comfortably. As a parent, finding the right nasal spray can be a game changer for your baby's well-being and your peace of mind. Number 5. Frida Baby Nose SnotSucker Nasal Aspirator. Dealing with a stuffy nose? Our nasal aspirator provides gentle and effective suction to clear your baby's airways. It's designed for safe and easy use. Help your little one breathe easier. This tool offers quick congestion relief, making uncomfortable moments more manageable for both baby and parent. We prioritize your baby's health. It comes with extra hygiene filters to ensure a clean and safe experience every time you use it. Designed with parents in mind, it's simple to operate. Get fast results without any fuss, ensuring your baby's comfort is quickly restored. This all-in-one solution tackles nasal congestion effectively. It's the perfect tool to have on hand for those times when your baby needs a clear nose. What we like? This one offers powerful suction to clear out even the toughest boogers. It comes with plenty of disposable filters for hygiene. If you're looking for a reliable way to clear your baby's nasal passages, this is a great choice. What people say. This product is a lifesaver for my little one. It helps to clear out the nasal passages quickly and effectively, making it easier for them to breathe. I love how gentle this saline spray is. It doesn't cause any irritation or discomfort, which is a huge relief for both me and my baby. The design of the spray bottle is very user-friendly. It's easy to hold and control, allowing for precise application without any mess. Number 4. Frida Baby Nose SnotSucker. Is your little one struggling with a stuffy nose? Introducing the NoseFrida SnotSucker, designed to help your baby breathe easy. This gentle nasal aspirator uses a safe and effective method to clear nasal passages. It's the perfect tool for parents seeking relief for their baby. Help your baby find comfort and get the rest they need. A clear nose means better breathing and more peaceful sleep for everyone. Each SnotSucker comes with 4 hygiene filters to ensure a clean and sanitary experience. These filters help maintain hygiene with every use. Join countless parents who trust this solution for their baby's nasal care. It's a simple, reliable way to help your baby breathe freely. What we like? This option provides gentle suction, perfect for delicate noses. It includes hygiene filters to keep things clean. If you prefer a gentler approach to congestion relief for your little one, this is the one to consider. What people say. This is a great product that works well to clear my baby's nose. The spray is gentle and doesn't irritate my baby's skin. It's easy to use and effective in relieving congestion. Number 3. Frida Baby 3-in-1 Nose, Nail Plus Ear Picker. Meet the ultimate grooming tool for your little one. It's designed to safely clean your baby's delicate nose, ears, and nails. From the trusted creators of the original SnotSucker, comes another essential for your baby care kit. We understand the challenges of keeping your baby clean and comfortable. Easily and safely remove stubborn boogers from your baby's tiny nose. Its gentle design ensures comfort for your little one. Carefully manage ear wax buildup without causing discomfort. This tool provides a safe way to keep their ears clean. Grooming tiny fingernails can be tricky. This versatile tool helps you trim their nails safely and efficiently. Simplify your baby's grooming routine with this all-in-one solution. It's designed for safety, ease of use, and effectiveness. What we like? This is a versatile tool that handles more than just nasal congestion. It's designed for safe cleaning of boogers, ear wax, and more. If you appreciate multifunctional baby care items and want to streamline your routine, this is an excellent pick. What people say. This saline nasal spray is a game changer for clearing congestion in infants. The gentle mist effectively loosens mucus, making it easier for babies to breathe. It's easy to use, even on a fussy baby, and provides quick relief. Number 2. Frida Baby Nose Saline Mist Spray. Introducing a gentle saline mist spray designed to help your baby breathe easier. It's perfect for softening nasal passages and providing relief. This spray works to soothe and soften your little one's nasal passages. It's a simple way to help them feel more comfortable. Effectively relieves allergy symptoms and congestion. It helps to clear stuffiness, making it easier for your baby to breathe. Designed for ease of use, this saline mist is a convenient solution for parents. Just a gentle spray can make a big difference. Formulated with baby's delicate needs in mind, it provides safe and effective relief. Trust it to help your little one feel better. Help your baby breathe easier with this natural saline solution. It's a gentle way to manage nasal discomfort and promote well-being. What we like. This product uses a saline mist to effectively soften nasal passages. It's great for allergy relief and general congestion. If your baby suffers from allergies or you just need to loosen up some stubborn mucus, this spray is ideal. What people say. This is a great product for clearing out my baby's nose. It is very easy to use and effective. My baby can breathe much better after using this spray. Number 1. Frida Baby Cold and Flu Saline Kit. Introducing the Frida Baby Cold and Flu Saline Kit, your ultimate solution for your baby's congestion. This comprehensive set is designed to provide relief and comfort when your little one needs it most. This 12-piece set includes everything you need for effective nasal care. It features the trusted NoseFrida Nasal Aspirator, a gentle yet powerful nose sucker to clear airways. It also comes with a saline nasal spray to help loosen mucus, making it easier to remove. This spray provides gentle hydration and helps to soothe irritated nasal passages. For added hygiene, the kit includes 10 extra filters for the nasal aspirator. This ensures a clean and safe experience every time you use it. The nasal spray acts as a decongestant, helping to quickly alleviate stuffiness. It's formulated to be safe and effective for infants, providing much-needed relief. This kit is designed for ease of use, making it an essential tool for parents dealing with colds and flu. Keep your baby breathing easier and more comfortably with this all-in-one solution. What we like. This is a comprehensive kit that includes both a nasal aspirator and saline spray. It's designed to tackle cold and flu symptoms effectively. If you want a complete solution for your baby's congestion and are looking for great value, this set is perfect for you. What people say. It is a good product. It works well. It is a great product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.